Hello everyone. First of all, I want to let you know that if you found this video directly from YouTube or Google, this is the first part of the tutorial. Follow the link below in the description for the complete tutorial after watching this video. Now let us create the Firebase project. Go to firebase.google.com, and after you log into your Google account, click on the Go to console. Then you will go ahead and create a new project or add a new project. In the box right here, you will input the project name, and then click the I agree button, and then click the create project. I'm not gonna do it since I already created a project, so go ahead and do that. Now I'm gonna open my current project. Go to the gear icon, project settings, and right here you will find your project ID. Go ahead and copy this project ID. Now jump back to your env file and paste it right here. Just replace app name with your project ID and then save it. Go back to Firebase and copy the web API key, and again back to env file, paste it and save it. After you've done that, go ahead and click in the authentication menu item, then sign in method, and right here you can see all of the sign in providers. You can sign in with email, phone, Google, but in our case we only gonna use Facebook, Twitter and GitHub. So go ahead and click in Facebook, click the enable switch. Now go to developers.facebook.com, click in my apps, add new app. Now you're gonna type your app name and then click create app ID. I'm not going to do that since I already created one, so I'm gonna go ahead and open mine. Now once Facebook creates your app ID, you will see a lot of products here. The one you are looking for will be Facebook login. I already set up mine, so it's down here. Yours will be somewhere in here with the rest of this. Go ahead and click setup. I'm gonna go ahead and click settings. After you click setup, you will see this screen right here to set up an iOS, Android, web or other type of application. Now click in web and you will have to input your website here. If you don't have a website, then you can input localhost. Go ahead and click save. And then that's it for that, and you can jump to settings. Now make sure you have these options right here: client auth login, web auth login, and embedded browser auth login set to yes. After you've done that, jump back to Firebase and copy the auth redirect URI, and you will need to paste it right here. Paste it and save the changes. Once you've done that, go to settings menu and then basic. Here in the basic you will see your app ID and your app secret. Go ahead and copy the app ID, go back to Firebase and paste it in the app ID field. Back to Facebook again. You will have to click show in the app secret, input your Facebook password, and it'll show your app secret. Go ahead and copy that one and paste it in the app secret field, and then click save. Now we completed the Facebook login. Open a new tab and then go to developer.twitter.com. You will need to apply for a developer account. Click apply for a developer account, and then you just follow the steps right here. After you finish applying for the developer access, click the drop down, apps, then click create an app, enter the required fields. Now in the URL, it needs to be an actual website. It cannot be localhost. You have to enable the sign in with Twitter. After you enable it, go back to Firebase, click on Twitter, enable the sign in, and copy the callback and paste it right here. Now the other required field is this one right here, and then click create. Accept the terms, and after the application has been created, go to keys and tokens, copy API key, back to Firebase, paste it here, and now copy the API secret, paste it here, and click save. And that's it for creating the Twitter application. Now it is time to set up our final sign-in provider. Go to github.com, then settings, developer settings, and create a new OAuth app. Type the name. The homepage can be a localhost. Description is optional, and then the callback. For that, go back to Firebase, click on GitHub, and copy the auth callback. Paste it here, and click register application. Once that's done, copy the client ID. Don't forget to enable it here. Paste the client ID, copy the client secret, paste it here, click save, and that's pretty much it to set up the sign-in provider with GitHub. Now you can click the link below in the description to continue the tutorial. Thanks for watching.